Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I created this doll onesie for my 3D printed BJD. I created the pattern by using plastic wrap and masking tape around my doll. I printed this using my Anycubic per 3D printer with a file I got off Thingiverse. I used this flannel scrap of fabric to make my onesie with, and I took my pattern. It was consisting of a shirt and a pair of pants. However, I just combined the shirt and the pants together to make my front and my back pieces. I also cut out a hood and some sleeves. And on the front panel I left a little bit more seam allowance since I will be folding it over and adding an elastic closure to the front. Taking the two back pieces, I went ahead and sewed up the back seam all the way until that point, which is the crotch seam. With that sewn up, I open it up and I lay my front pieces shoulder to shoulder. With the shoulder seam sewn, I can set that aside and work on the hood. I measure out the hood for the opening where the neck will be, and I will sew from that point all the way to the front of this hood around the head. With the hood sewn, I go ahead and attach it to the collar of the onesie, matching up the center seams. To finish off that edge, I do a simple rolled hem all the way from the top of the hood to about an inch from the crotch. However, before I sew that all together, I will take a strip of Velcro, cut it down to size, and I will add it to the front seam and sew that on as I hem the raw edges. And now my onesie can close. Attaching the sleeves, I open it all the way up. I still have not yet sewn the side seams. I match it up from the middle of my sleeve and go all the way around using a whole bunch of pins. With the sleeves on, I go ahead and hem up the cuffs at the wrists by folding those over and just doing a simple rolled hem. This is also before I attach the side seam. With that done, I go ahead and match up the armpit seam, and I match up the entire side going all the way up the arm, and I will sew that together. With the side seam going sewn, I do the same thing with the ankle cuffs as I did with the wrist. And then matching up the center seams from the crotch, I go ahead and pin those together, and then I will sew that entire seam up. And I guess at the end I went ahead and sewed the hood hem up as well. And with that, I have clothes for my 3D printed doll now. It was a simple project. It took me maybe an hour to do. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.